Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to your Grindr account. For that, first of all, open up your Grindr app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can log into your account with email, phone, Google and Facebook. For now, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with email. Firstly, enter the email address that is linked to your account. Then enter your Grindr's password. After you're done, tap on the yellow tab that says Login. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save Password if you want to save password to Google. If not, tap on Never. This way you can log into your Grindr account. Now you can browse and chat with people around the world. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.